Miracle Seed is right there. Hey guys, well, welcome back to some more Pokemon Black. I did a little bit of off-screen training with Jackster. He is now level 19. And he is first up in my party. And right now we're going to be heading up to the next city. Just spoilers, is Castillo City. Oh, I just woke up. Anyways, this is a big bridge, as you can see. And you're going to have to hold down the up button, or the forward button, and the B button. Here. I didn't talk that much, sorry. So we're gonna head. This is a big place. So yeah, here we go. Here's the map, and here's the Pokemon Center. Yay! Now I get to go inside. Oh gosh. Dun dun dun. Whoa. No. I have no idea what the heck that is, but whatever. Rest my Pokemon. Okay, so now we're gonna actually take out Panpour. I don't want him on my team anymore. Should have just pressed deposit, but I forgot. Okay, there we go. Anyways, so Castillo City, we're gonna be moving on over here. Okay, what you want to do is you want to head down to the gym, which is way down here. You look up, there's the little sign that says that the gym is right over here. So here's the gym, we're gonna go ahead and go inside, but wait, it's Sharon. So you already beat him, huh? Oh, well. Okay, so I'm gonna go down here, I guess. Actually, no. I already knew that. And if you didn't notice, if you went all the way down to the far edge, you can see all the buildings and stuff. You want to come down here. And on top of the Pokemon Center, there's a little sign that has Pikachu on it, right there. So we're gonna head down here. Here they are. Team Plasma. Ooh, who are you? Iris, huh? What the? Team Plasma? What are you doing here? Yeah, you better get out of here. I'll kick your butt. Come on. want to do is head all the way down, back to the gym. And then, see the little plasma fronts over here? Yeah, you want to head here. Fight a bunch of team plus. Actually, you only have to fight one. But he's got a Sandile. That's good because we have a bug type. Actually, I don't know if I know any bug type moves. No, I don't. So I guess we're gonna have to switch out. Wait, what? I didn't really press one. I'm gonna try Poison Tail. See how much that does. Oh wow, I did hardly anything. Looks like we're gonna switch to Willis, who's level 25 and 24. Accuracy well, so what? Use the Mega Drain. You're dead. And again. Drain all your health out. Bad. I thought I told you to stay back there. Hey. You push me. I'll push you back. Why am I always the last one to go in, huh? Skip this. You guys can do this by yourself. I want to get you to playing and not sit through all this stuff. You got your Munna back. I didn't even know that you had a Munna. Farewell, my mom. Why did I even say that? What's wrong with me? Bodyguard. So what? Iris can't even fight you in black. A little bit spoilers, but so what? Alright, have fun. Oof. One dude, go on talk to this guy, and he'll give you a fresh water. So apparently that's for Pokemon and not for a thirsty person. There. And that's how shit works. You just gotta go through here and grab some gates and you got some required trainers. Up here. Alright. Speaking of a next team member, we will be finding one in the next area. Poison tail. Since it's part of grass, we should do quite a bit. Yeah. I guess not. I'm like bug and poison. It's not really else to me. Poison sting. I'm gonna tilt down a bit so we don't have to waste poison tail's power points. Oh my gosh, he took a lot of damage from that. Oh my gosh, he survived? I'm gonna die if I'm not careful. That's kind of wasted, but whatever. I'm gonna get a ton of experience from that. Centipede, alright. I might just keep out Dennis. I don't know, because they're mostly bug types and stuff. Yeah, sure, I don't know. Just flame charge. You know what Dennis' ability is? Dennis' ability. I don't know what it is. Poison tail. Yay. Whoa! I'm sorry, but that's just terrible. It's 330. That's all the experience that you've gained from that? You almost died, and then you only get that much experience? Come on, really? Okay, if you don't want to fight a trainer, there's a little button, and if you touch that button, you get to fight a trainer. So if you want to skip a trainer, like I will right now, push that button, look that light, that light. And then don't hit the button. Button, and that thing's open. All I want to do is go for this one. What we gotta do is go for this one. Is also a trainer, so you don't want to hit that one. Hit that one. Oh, we have one more trainer. Oh, it's this guy over here. This one he's required, so. Yeah, we're gonna be fighting him. Oh, shoot, bro. Okay, just quick. Okay. Use. Potions, and then switch Jaxter with Dennis. Okay, So, now to turn over here. So, yeah, well, I'm tired. Dude, wait. Defensively fails, so what? Oh, well, a critical hit. I don't have another Vanipede. Thank you, Swaddle's gonna be down to like one hit. Since it's quad weak to fire. I guess almost in one hit. It's okay, you're just lowering my speed by 1. Since I've already have it up so high. Oh, what? I didn't kill it? And Tackle does that much damage? What? How is that supposed to work? Weird. You wanna hit that? Hey guys, that opens the path for the Jiggler here. Okay, save if you want. I for one I'm not going to, but one thing I am gonna do is heal him up real quick and then there you go. Fighting him now. Whirlipede. It's a bad choice, but this is the only thing I can do right now. Great, this is gonna be a long battle. Boy's not gonna do a ton of damage to him. Great. Underwave. Yeah, we'll just go down with the, and I'll just paralyze him. Oh boy, let's get one more shot at it. Oh. Willis, you better do good, because this is gonna hurt if you don't get anything from this. Try to look on that. It's not gonna do much to him though, that's one thing. He's like a bug and freaking poison type. Great. That's gonna do a ton of damage. Oh, I guess not. Well, actually that's weird. Okay, let's just tackle. Whoa! Okay, I can survive one more of those. Maybe 2? I don't know. Hyper Potion? A Hyper Potion at this time? Use Mega Drain. What? 2 HP. Wow. Not even worth the time. Great, now I'm gonna be like low health. Actually, no, now I'm dead. Great, okay. If you have Pokemon like mine, yeah, you're in big trouble. I'm surprised how Jackster is actually faster. Oh, sweet. I probably should have poisoned him, but great. Jeez, it did a lot of damage. Okay. Yeah, I had to revive. You Screech. This guy has pretty high defense, I think. Brings the defense down. Sweet. I hit a free shot at him. Wait, no, I didn't want to protect. Dang it. Whatever. Already. This turn you might miss, so this might help me. They might not miss, but like, he might get paralyzed. Oh, that's so sick! Oh, it's awesome that you protect. Oh my gosh. Spam poison tail this guy. Get off a Screech. Hopefully he gets paralyzed. Oh, I avoided the attack. That's even better. That's gonna be doing twice the damage. Oh, that's so much damage. Oh, and you can't even move. All I need to do is just get past him, and this battle is going to be a breeze. Oh, that's so awesome. Come on, kill him. Oh, he's got like 1 HP left. Oh, he's gonna have one. He's all out. Yes, take that. Yes, battle's over. Oh, I'm gonna get a ton of XP from this. Oh, Dennis, you can level 21. I'm gonna keep you out. I'm gonna revive my starter. Rock type. Kill me, yeah. Next guy, this shouldn't kill Willis at all. Oh my gosh, he's almost dead. Oh, whoops. Get some health back. I probably should have used that, but whatever. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Dennis, you and your low defense, go. Oh my gosh, just delaying your own demise. Come on, really? Don't tell me I'm dead. Oh, thank you. I'm not dead. Alright, it's awesome. Should do a ton of damage, and it did an okay amount of damage, I guess. Use a super potion. What? A one-hit KO? Yeah, he needs to have defense higher. I'm gonna have to use some of the resistance defense. Okay, I'm just gonna attack this guy with tackle. I should plant a leech seed, dang it! Ah! Oh. Well. Guess I still can. It doesn't affect him? How does that work? Oh. Oh! me. Whoa! Something else just happened. Something just fell off my desk and hit the ground. Sorry guys, that was kind of loud. You can use whatever you want. You're just slowing yourself down. Come on. Let me hit you. Now don't die. If you die, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, thank you for not dying. This should kill it. Oh. Should be able to survive one more hit. No! That's so gay! Okay! Okay! Anyway, guys, I will be back next episode to take my revenge. I'm not going to be showing the whole gym battle over again. I'll just zip to the one of the bangs almost dead. Okay? So, guys, I will see you guys next time.